Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be here today with another video. For those of you guys who are new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I will finally be setting up my Billy bookshelves. I built them in setting up my bedroom vlog. So if you guys want to go ahead and see that video, I will link it down in the description box. So I'm going to go ahead and organize all of my handbags, my accessories, my fragrances, sunglasses, and also shoes on my Billy bookshelves. So if you want to go ahead and see how I organize everything on my Billy bookshelves, just keep watching. I've already cleaned the bottom shelves here where I put my boots. I did use this multi-purpose cleaner. I'll go ahead and link it down below. It smells so good and it is also pretty. It's pink. And I actually noticed that this shelf here, I think I built it wrong. That was supposed to go all the way at the top. Can you guys see those two little gray circles? So I'm going to buy some stickers to cover that up because it is bothering me. I kind of just sorted out my boots down there and I still have all these shoes to put up here. So I'm thinking of doing sandals and then heels, or I might do heels and then sandals. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but I do plan to do in this middle section, put like my fragrances, my accessories, some of my antique decor. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting my heels first. I went ahead and put my darker and neutral colors on this side. On this side, I'm gonna go ahead and put all of the colorful ones like red, pinks, whites, all of those. I'm gonna put them here. So now that I'm looking at them, I think I wanna put the heels up here and then I wanna put the sandals here. I don't have that many sandals, but I just feel like it will look better down here because I put the shelves a little lower and I feel like the heels are just a lot prettier and I just think they're gonna look nicer up here. Okay, so I think it's gonna be easier if I start off by putting some of my handbags here because I was thinking of putting like my handbags on this section. So what I might have to do is move my boots and maybe put all my boots on this side and then put shelves here, those two shelves, put them a little lower. So I think this looks really good. I ended up keeping all of my boots down here, and in case I do get like more heels, I can always rearrange these, but for now I think those look good. I did put my sandals here at the bottom, so I put sandals here and then I put like slide spread on this side, and I kept all of my colored heels on here and then all my neutrals and blacks on here. And as of right now, I just have my heels like this. If I do get more heels, I can just flip this one around, scoot them over and just kind of squeeze them in there. So I feel like I have a lot of space, which I'm excited about. So that now means I have to go shopping for more shoes. I feel like the more space you have, the more we end up buying, right? So in this drawer, I put all of my smaller earrings and then medium-sized hoops as well. In this drawer, I put all of my silver jewelry, rings, bracelet, and earrings. I don't have too many. I did also get rid of a lot that I don't use. And then in here, I just put all my dressy earrings and also hoops. At the bottom, I'm gonna put all my bracelets and necklaces. I'm gonna go ahead and put belly piercings in here and pendants. I do also have this cleaning wipe. It's for like sunglasses. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here. And then these are the very few belly piercings that I have. I actually just ordered a lot of them. And then these are the 2 pendants that I also have. So I ended up putting my boots at the bottom, and then I put all of my sandals here, my heels here, and then on this side I did keep it on neutrals. I do also have my handbags right over here. I kept my backpacks up there. I added my Cartier bags up there, and then that's a beach bag. Going on to this side, I also have a backpack up there, all of my fragrances, and then here I have a jewelry box, which that's all of my real diamonds, real gold, and then in here is like my fashion jewelry, so jewelry that I get from like Forever 21, H&M, Shein. I put everything in here. So in here I put all of the clips, smaller hoops and earrings, bigger hoops and earrings, silver jewelry, and then necklaces and bracelets. Here I went ahead and put all of my sunglasses. I don't have that many. I'm trying to get more into sunglasses. I just feel like they always make my head hurt, and I just noticed most of my sunglasses are all black. And then down here I did also keep my boots. This section I put more sandals here, and then all of my heels in these 2 sections, my handbags here. And then up here I have like my bigger handbags, and then I just put 2 designer boxes up there. So this is what it looks like. I think it looks great. Everything looks really organized. It also looks really pretty. And then right over there I actually have a box of a lot of Shein stuff I just ordered. I will be doing a haul, so stay tuned for that. Since I did purchase a lot more stuff, I have a couple handbags coming soon, also high heels. I'm gonna have to make some arrangements here, and I did also order something from right here for the middle of my room. It's like an island. I'm gonna be putting like fragrances in the island and moving these things around, so stay tuned for a updated room tour. I recently posted one just setting up my room, setting up these bookshelves. So if you want to go ahead and see that, I will leave the link in the description box, and make sure to turn your post notifications on so you can go ahead and see my updated room tour. So that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and I will go ahead and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.